This quick tutorial will show you exactly how to add a shipping and handling charge to JotForm. If you've been looking to streamline your form's payment process by incorporating shipping fees, you're in the right place. In just a few simple steps, you can ensure that your JotForm is fully equipped to handle these additional costs, providing a seamless experience for both you and your customers. First, you'll want to head over to jotform.com. Once you're there, log into your account if you haven't already. This is where you'll find all your forms, and from here, it's just a matter of making a few tweaks. Next, you'll need to select the form where you want to add the shipping charge. Once you've found it, click on Edit Form. This will open up the form builder where you can make the necessary modifications. It's important to make sure you're editing the correct form, so take a moment to double check if needed. Now let's move on to the My Products field. Clicking on this field will allow you to access all the products or services you've listed on your form. This is where you'll add the shipping charges to the products that require it. Once you're in the My Products field, look for the product list option and click on it. This section gives you an overview of all the items listed on your form, making it easier to manage details such as prices and shipping fees. After accessing the product list, you'll need to click on the shipping option. This is where you can manage all shipping related settings for your products. By default, shipping might not be enabled, so we'll need to change that. To proceed, you'll want to turn on the enable shipping setting. This is a crucial step as it activates the shipping feature for your form. With this enabled, you can start specifying how you want the shipping charges to be calculated. Now let's talk about the charge basis. This is an essential part of setting up your shipping charges. You'll need to select the option that best suits your needs, whether that's charging per item, per order, or another basis that aligns with how you want to handle shipping costs. Finally, it's time to enter the flat charge rate. This is the amount your customers will pay for shipping. Make sure to enter an amount that's appropriate for your products and aligns with your overall pricing strategy. Once you've entered this, your form is all set to handle shipping charges. And there you have it. You've successfully added a shipping and handling charge to your Jot form. With these steps, your form is now more robust and ready to handle transactions that require shipping. Thanks for following along, and don't forget to test your form's new settings to ensure everything is working smoothly. If you have any questions or run into any issues, JotForm support resources are a great place to get additional help.